Hi everyone, Miss Neil here. For today's assembly, I want to talk to you about well-being and give you a few tips on how to manage your own. So if you was to ask me what well-being actually was, I would tell you that it's the state of being comfortable, happy and healthy. Well-being is split into three major sections. You have mental well-being, physical well-being and social well-being. Mental well-being refers to the state of your own mental state and your ability to cope with everyday life and everyday pressures. Physical well-being, this is where you're safe, sheltered and healthy, like physically healthy. And social well-being, this is where you form good relationships with other individuals. This can be your family, your friends, or anyone you meet really. These friendships and relationships, they are built on mutual trust, respect, tolerance and peace. So my first set of tips that I'm going to talk about and suggest refer to your mental well-being. You're away from school at the moment, so you're not in a set routine. Well, some of you might be, but you're not in different lessons, in different classes throughout the day. Why don't you create a timetable where you do a specific lesson at a specific time on specific days? Because if you do this, you still feel in control and you know what you need to do in a certain amount of time, rather than spending 3 hours on, let's say, maths and 1 hour on English or something like that. You could also try out lots of different apps or even YouTube to try meditation and yoga, because it's been proven to help lower stress levels and anxiety. I personally do yoga and meditation every day. It really helps lift my mood, especially when I'm feeling really stressed and quite down or worried about something. The next set of tips I'm going to move on to refer to physical well-being. So every day you should try and do at least 30 minutes of exercise. This could be cardio, weights, HIIT sessions. To be fair, Joe Wicks actually has some really good workouts on YouTube and they are all totally free. When you take part in physical activity, it helps to reduce the chances of getting diseases and illnesses. It helps boost self-esteem and confidence, and it also helps increase the chemicals in your body and your brain, such as serotonin, endorphins and stress hormones. I think it's really important that you take part in these, especially during lockdown, because they directly affect your mental well-being as well. The next set of tips I'm going to talk about of your social well-being. So you're really lucky in this day and age to have so many different means of communication. You have PlayStations, Xboxes, phones, iPads, tablets, loads of different types. You also have a lot of social media platforms where you can video call, group call, send messages, send photos, send videos, all these different things. So you should really utilise them and message a friend, message a family member, or even just pick up the phone and call them, or FaceTime them, or video call, any type of video call. I've actually just taught my grandma, who is 82 years old, how to FaceTime. I mean, I love a challenge, but I wasn't ready for that challenge. I spend most of the time now looking into her ear hole or the ceiling when she FaceTimes me. She'll never get it, but you know, it's fine. We can all laugh about it. But yeah, definitely use your social media platforms and your technology. And then when we go back to normal life, another really good tip that I found out when I was younger was join clubs that spark an interest. So let's say, for example, you like rugby. Join a rugby team or club. And you'll meet people who are like-minded, and then you're more likely to build more solid friendships and enjoyable friendships as well. I'm going to continue posting lots of stuff on the Google Classrooms to help your well-being. I'm going to post numbers and apps and all different things to help you if you should need it. Remember, we are all here for you and we can't wait to see you. And on behalf of everyone at the James Hornsby family, we are so incredibly proud of how well you have dealt with the situation. You have all shown such incredible strength, bravery and resilience. And we can't wait to see you soon. Bye guys!